Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Channel, the show where we help you practice real, natural English that you can use every day. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Today's episode is super practical. We're taking you on a trip to the supermarket.
That's right. We'll practice how to ask for items, talk to a cashier, make small talk, and sound natural while shopping in English.
We'll also practice pronunciation and explain key words step by step.
So grab your shopping list and your English notebook because we're about to go shopping together.
Before we start shopping, let's warm up with some useful supermarket vocabulary.
Here we go. Listen and repeat after us.
Trolley, or in American English, cart.
Basket.
Checkout.
Receipt. The P is silent.
On sale.
Shelf.
Cashier.
Aisle. I-L.
Nice! Now, let's practice some phrases you'll use while shopping.
Repeat after us slowly at first.
Excuse me, where can I find...
Do you sell?
And notice the polite tone. Excuse me. Thank you. You're welcome. These make your English sound friendly and natural.
Let's repeat together for pronunciation.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the rice is? Do you sell brown sugar? How much is this? Can I pay by card? Would you like a bag?
Awesome work. Keep those phrases in mind. We'll use them soon. Excuse me, could you tell me where the cereal is?
Sure. It's in aisle 6, next to the coffee.
Oh, thank you. And where can I find the bread section?
That's aisle 2 on your left.
Perfect. Do you also sell almond milk?
Yes, we do. It's in the refrigerated section near the yogurt.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, let's look at the useful phrases here. Could you tell me where the cereal is? Do you also sell almond milk? These are polite and natural.
Let's repeat together with rhythm. Could you tell me where the cereal is? Do you sell almond milk?
Good job. Use these whenever you need to ask for help politely.
These apples are $2.50, but the green ones are $3.
Yes, the green ones are imported.
Oh, I see. Are they sweeter?
Actually, the red ones are sweeter. The green ones are a little sour.
Got it. Thanks. I'll take the red ones then.
Good choice. They're on sale today. Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free? That's awesome.
Let's talk about that. Buy one, get one free is a very common phrase in stores.
It means when you buy one item, you get another one for free.
Let's also look at comparisons. This one is cheaper, that one is more expensive.
Repeat after us. This one is cheaper. That one is more expensive.
Good. Now, say it naturally with rhythm.
Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That'll be $28.75.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please insert your card.
Beep. Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too.
That's a short and friendly conversation, the kind you'll hear every day in English-speaking supermarkets.
Key phrases. Did you find everything okay? That'll be, have a nice day.
Let's practice pronunciation together. Have a nice day. Would you like a bag?
Perfect. Remember, tone is everything. Sound friendly, not robotic.
Customer, excuse me, I bought this yogurt yesterday, but it's already expired.
Customer service. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
A refund, please.
No problem. Please wait a moment.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Here, we learned some great customer service phrases. Do you have your receipt? Would you like a refund or exchange? Sorry for the inconvenience.
All polite and professional.
Cashier, busy day today, huh?
Customer. Yeah, weekends are always like this.
True. Do you have any plans after shopping?
Just cooking dinner and relaxing. You?
Same. I'm planning to watch a movie.
Nice. Have a good one.
This is a small talk, short, friendly chat to sound polite.
In English-speaking countries, people often say things like, "How's your day going? Busy day today? Got any plans for the weekend?"
Let's repeat together. Okay, time to review everything we learned today.
Number 1, supermarket vocabulary. Aisle, trolley, checkout, receipt. Number 2, asking for help. Excuse me, could you tell me where? Number 3, checkout phrases. Would you like a bag? That'll be. Number 4, customer service and small talk.
Let's test your listening and speaking. I'll say the situation, and you answer in English.
Ready.
You can't find the rice. What do you say? Yes. Excuse me, could you tell me where the rice is?
Next, the cashier asks, "Would you like a bag?"
Right. Yes, please, or no, thank you. Last one. You're leaving the store. What do you say? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Fantastic job.
And that's it for today's episode, English Conversation at the Supermarket.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot of useful phrases to use next time you go shopping.
Here's your challenge. Record your own supermarket conversation. Pretend you're the shopper or the cashier and practice out loud.
You can share it with your study partner or post it in your learning group. Practice makes progress.
Beautifully said. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need honesty and a smile.
Exactly. Speak from your heart and people will listen.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember every conversation brings you closer to fluency.
It will be so much fun, so don't be shy. This is a safe place to practice and learn together.
If you liked this episode, please share it with your friends or family who are learning English.
Keep learning, stay motivated, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.